Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a very interesting coding interview problem called spatial triplets. This question is extremely important for coding rounds like competitive programming and FANG style interview. So, I will explain the problem, the logic behind the solution, finally give you the line by line explanation of the Python code so that you can understand everything clearly. So make sure to watch till the end, like the video, share it with your friends, and don't want to forget to subscribe. So let's dive into the question. Okay. So here is the solution. We have stored the modulo value 10 into 10 to the power 9 plus 7 because the answer can be very large. Okay. Many coding platform require this. Okay. So from the collection import counter, we import counter a dictionary like data structure that help us the count the occurrence of each number efficiently. In the third line, that is class solution, here we define a class named solution as required by the coding platform. In line number 4, this is a function where we will write the logic. The platform will call this function. In line number 5, that is, we create a frequency map of all element in the array. This count represents number of the right of j initially. In line number 6, we create another empty counter to store number to the left of j as we iterate. In line number 7, this will store the total number of special triplets. Okay. So in line number 8, that is, we loop through every index j. Every j will act as the middle index of our triplets, that is I comma j comma k. Okay. In line number 9, since we are currently at index j, we remove this number from the right side count. Okay. And in line number 10, it's like if its frequency becomes 0, like we delete the right nums gem. Okay, so we will delete it to the keep the dictionary clean and what efficient. So in line number okay, yes, in line number 12, here the condition say what nums I is equal to nums j into 2 and nums k is equal to nums j into 2. So we will calculate the number we need to on both side. So if largest in the target in the left and target in the right, we check if what left side has become I such that nums I is equal to what target and right side has become what nums k is equal to target, then only then a triplet is possible. So in line number 14, every I on the left can pair with the every k on the right. So we multiply both count and add to the answer. So we will take modulo at each step to avoid what overflow. Okay. And in line number 15, now we have to index j that becomes a part of the left side for the future iteration. Okay. And in line number 16, as you know, we return the total number of special triplets. So that is from the question. And here we see on the screen that is it's a medium type question, but it's also a easy type of question. So from the last 3 days, lead code is not preparing for a hard type of problem. Okay, but we will try. Okay, so from this is from the today video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope the line by line explanation help you to understand the problem clearly. So if you want more video on the data structure, algorithm, and coding interview question, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Keep coding, keep growing, and happy day. Have a good day. Bye bye.